All right, good evening and welcome to today's class. Today we are going to focus strictly on solving problems as regards to measure of central tendency. Okay, now let's say I have something like this. Maybe I have I say the mean of the following data 6, 7, x, 5, and 3 is 6. Find the value of x. At this point, we are given this data 6, 7, x, 5, and 3. And we're told that its mean is 6. It means that there's a number that should be here to prove this. That means this depends on what you actually have here. So let's go and see how far we can go to achieve our aim. Our aim is to find the value of x. Now let's see how it goes. First, put the formula mean, all right, equal to total sum of data. Please, this is a tautology here. This shouldn't be there. Over number of data. Okay, mean, we thought it is 6. Sum of data, which is the sum of data given to us, all this one. So I'm going to write 6 plus 7 plus x plus 5 plus 3 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 of them. Is that okay? So this implies that 6 is equal to 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Going to have 21 plus x over 5. I cross multiply this time, this is 30. I'm going to have 30 is equal to 21 plus x. Therefore, my x goes this way. Let all the constants stay on one side. So I'm going to have 30. 21 comes to meet 30, becomes minus 21 is equal to x. So 30 minus 21 is 9. Therefore, my x is equal to 9. Okay. As we have the following data, yes, I have 4, 3, 7, 3 again, 5, probably 2. And we say find the median of this particular, what's it called, data. Of course, you know, in median, we're going to arrange this number in ascending or descending order. Now, ascending means from lowest to the highest. So let's arrange. I'm going to have 2, 3, another 3, 4 follows, followed by 5, then 7. Then after the arrangements, the middle term or the middle value becomes our median. Okay, now let's take it 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Wow, we have 2 numbers at the center. At this point, what do we do? It is simple. Simply take the average of this number, which is 3 plus 4 over 2. Average is more like the mean. So we just take the sum of this over how many they are, which is 1, 2 over 2. Is that okay? So let's go. 3 plus 4 is 7 over 2. So 2 into 7 will give us a 3 whole number, 1 over 2, or 3.5. Is that okay? The one example I would actually like us to solve. Let's consider a real life experience here. Let's assume that in a library, the librarian actually wants to know a particular book, okay, that is often in most demand, that people always want to read. People always come to pick that book from the library. Is that okay? Now, one thing is this. Maybe a set of book in the library. Maybe as they pick, they write their names, the book they picked in a book, so in a record book anyways. Let's assume that one book was taken, let's just say 10 times. Another one was taken, let's just say 12 times. Maybe one was taken 4 times. Another one 6 times. Maybe another one 9 times. There was one that was taken for about, let me just say 15 times. Okay. Now, what measure do you think the librarian would use to really get to know that particular book that people read often in that library? Of course, that is our mode. Okay, because this is one that frequently comes to people. This is one that is frequently being used. All right, so that means our mode here is 15, or rather, our mode is the book with 15 number of readers. Maybe the book, let's say, is economics book. Let me put it that way. Book on economics. People always come to pick it to read as often as possible. And it got like 15 readers, maybe probably in few days, maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days thereabout, over other ones before it. So mode shows the one that is frequently being used. Is that okay? Good. So I'm going to give us example. I'm going to solve over the weekend. Yes, maybe like 4 or 5, just to let us understand more on this particular topic that we call measure of central tendency. Please don't sleep over anyone. Attend to them. Very much important. Please. Thank you. See you in next class.